She blinded me with science.
Facing challenges with back pain due to degenerative disc disease? I'm Dr. Deborah Westergaard, here with exciting news on a new approach. In our discussion, we refer to the study conducted by Gregory E. Lutz, titled The Treatment of Symptomatic Degenerative Intervertebral Discs with Autologous Platelet-Rich Plasma, follow-up at 5 to 9 years. These were intradiscal injections where true disc tears were seen on MRI, and the degenerative disc height was no less than 50% of baseline. Innovative research has shown that PRP, utilizing components from your own blood, can significantly improve comfort and mobility for those affected without the need for surgical intervention in many cases. Envision the potential possibility of a life with enhanced daily activities. Learn more about how this cutting-edge option might support your journey. Together, we can explore new possibilities. To review the article, check out my blog at planopainexperts.com and dallaspainexperts.com.